Come on, answer the phone. Can we go to the beach if you want? What? If you come near the beach, you'll see us. If you come to near the beach, you'll see where we are. Right, see you in a minute. Right. Looks like they're here. Oh dear.
That's only a little, isn't it?
Right, we've yeah, we can do better than that. So this is the second part of the ultimate sea and detecting trip. The boat's just come in, courtesy of the RAFFMAN, the Diggerless 680, currently sponsored by iDetect. The man in the hat carrying more stuff than an old lady at Marks and Spencer's.
Yeah, you could have given me a hand, couldn't you?
Kiss your shoes.
I told you I'm an old man.
Pull the boat around that way, it's easy to get on. So pull the boat around.
I'm doing it. Are we ready?
Yeah. Go on, yeah, I've got my phone on. Yeah. You're going to need the keys. Yeah. Otherwise you won't be able to get in the tent.
Yeah.
Craig, it's on.
Got it. But you have to say permission to come aboard, sir, apparently. No, just come on. Come on. Oh, jump on.
Watch out for the rod at the front.
Oh, I don't like this movement. Can we keep it a bit still? Come on, Stephen.
You're right. Right, you go forward. Go forward.
Go aft.
I mean,
Waft at the aft.
Where's Star Wars on this? It's port, back and Star Wars, isn't it? Something like that. Something like that. Port, aft and Star Wars. All the science fiction programmes are available.
There you go.
Stephen, like I say, I've got his camera, so it's all happening here. Can I sit down? Oh. Lovely, lovely.
Hang on, I'm left here. Try now.
I'll be shorter in the fucking ocean.
Alright, try now. Mind your legs now.
Never got the keys, for Christ's sake. That's the one.
Woohoo!
Arrivederci, por favor.
We're off! Right, we're aboard. You okay there with that? And we're heading out. He's got a riff rack on there.
It's a bin ready cover.
Yeah, it's a riff rack. He could have got it. What's it come?
Heck of a thing. See that pot over there? Got towards that because this was terrible. Jagged rocks there. We could see the rocks under the surface.
You could have got some scaffolding poles or something telling all one of them roof boxes on top of that. Lovely clear water. It's not like Blackpool. Please Google it if you don't know what Blackpool is. It's just named after what the sea was called.
Blackpool.
Some guy on a bit of king span, wandering, lost the rest of his stuff. Done a fall overboard.
No.
Right, moving on. I just switched over to the other camera. This is a windproof one because we've picked up speed. We're heading out into the wash where that ferry's just come out, so I don't know what it is, any difference. A bit flatter probably water is. He's currently smoking something.
Iceberg.
Stephen's just holding on to his breakfast at the minute. Now we've got the raft up there. Yeah. I'm going to be taking a wee over the side in a bit, so that might be something everybody might want to have a look at. So we'll get back to you in a minute when we get the fishing sticks out. So, moving on. Oh, quick few shout outs to CT Velvet Digger, Chad, Coins Parameters, Derek Naylor, John 316 UK and Amanda, and various other people. Crazy 7, Coinmeister North Wales, and various other people I work with. Hello. Don't make it back from here, I've died. Okay, see you now. Right, we're currently fishing. You got your rod out over there?
Yeah.
Carl's got his rod out.
How many rods are there? There's two on the boat. Oh, yeah. Do you want to go?
you're not catching it, it's pointless.
No, there's nothing, just not catching.
We're up and down with his rod. He's got his special bait out, and it's harder than it looks. I've just had a piss over the side, and it's harder than it looks. Isn't it? You can't do it, it's dead hard, isn't it? Pee over the side of a boat. Oh, right, I struggle. Alright, moving on. Do 2 jobs at once, mate.
Well, Craig jiggling his thingy in the water.
I am.
He's not going to catch anything.
We've got a bit of a bet on with the guy in front of the camera right now. I'm not going to say exactly what he's going to do if I do catch a fish. Well, he might be kissing it. So if I can catch a fish, Stephen's got to kiss it. This is the first time for me ever fishing, first time for me ever peeing over the side, and first time for me actually sleeping under the stars. So this weekend's been pretty good so far. I don't know what my other firsts are.
You've not been sick over the side yet, have you?
No, I'm alright. I've peed over the side, which is it's stage fright. Especially when you're moving at that speed, when you try and get your tackle out. It's hard work. You want to try it? Turn the camera on. I am still here.
No.
We've got radar going on there.
They've gone.
Scared of. It's you with your 5 years. Oh, we're back on dry land. So we just got back. I'll just show you RAFFMAN's. You can say, please subscribe to this fella.
I asked if you can detect this bit.
There's not on this, but on that one there, they've had Roman coins. Regular.
Well, after the very disappointing, well, after the fishing trip, we could say after the camera stopped rolling, we got lucky, didn't we? We got lucky. We ended up with the mackerel. Herring. We had a massive shoal of herring swim past this carrier bag, and they all sort of jumped in. So
yeah, I just had to cut a fish hook from there to there, open it up, full of row, grab it with your hand. Right.
You have to get your nipples out nearly every video.
Someone go down while she's in the sea.
You have something
yes. He wants. So we've got to rebait them things, haven't we?
Yeah, they could put them in the pot.
Right, moving on.
Right,
Me.
this guy
This fish
is fish.
caught by this fella. Here's knife. My table.
It's having it.
So where are we going? We're going to. Where's it at? Where's it from?
Oh, yeah, that's it.
Is that it?
It's called
Yeah.
the anal fin.
Bottom root's anals.
So where'd you go? Left or right?
You
Towards
right
the
up.
head.
No, I mean you'll go with this
So
side.
you've
that
got to
side.
poke it in well.
That's it.
Oof.
Yeah, now slice back to
Go on.
the head.
Right up.
right here.
Right up.
Are we going? Keep going.
Go on.
Keep
Keep going.
Keep going.
I bet something.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
probably short. Go on.
Keep going. Right. And then open him up.
Like an envelope.
Well, that
Put
stinks
your
in
hand
there.
round its guts and pull it out.
Get your hand in.
Put your hand in round its guts and pull it out.
Or your knob.
That smells like. They don't smell fishy. It smells like.
It's not a bit rammy, that is.
It still smells fresh, actually.
Fish.
Get
Yeah,
your hand
your
in.
hand
Get your thumb in the top
Well,
and
you've got to- This is real
Come on.
stuff. This is-
man
How
stuff.
much to pull it out here?
All of it.
All it,
Everything.
Everything in its cavity there. Rip the lot out.
Can't come out there.
It will. Get in.
Yank.
Go on.
There we go.
Pull his eyes out.
Is that everything?
It's like trying to get the change out of a taxi driver.
That one's pushing there.
Oh.
And then
Swill it out.
That's that done.
Are you not thanking me?
I'm in what?
well, it don't smell. It doesn't smell like it's gone off anyway.
Just cook the flanks.
Smell that?
Smells like sweaty bollocks.
Does smell
Oof.
like sweaty pollock.
Oof.
Right, going back to it. We'll see you in a minute.
Bye bye.